good morning everyone, welcome to my channel Informatica. I hope you guys are doing absolutely good. So basically in this video I'm going to talk regarding Salesforce learning and the job opportunities in the market. So basically right now many freshers, many private university candidates who are into the fourth year, right now fourth year might be going to end, and yes, you are not having an offer in your hand. ऑफर नहीं है अभी हाथ में, समझो, एंड यू आर वेरी मच ऑन टू द क्रॉस रोड टू डिसाइड कि क्या करे, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा ब्रो. आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू. कोई बोलता है जावा पढ़ लो, कोई बोलता है प्रोजेक्ट बना लो, कोई बोलता है बोलना सीख लो, कोई बोलता है ये रिएक्ट कर लो, कोई बोलता है एंगुलर कर लो. एंड आई एम टोटली इन द क्रॉस रोड बिकॉज सिर्फ CSC के स्टूडेंट नहीं होते हैं किसी भी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में. इट्स ऑल अबाउट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स, इलेक्ट्रिकल, सिविल, मैकेनिकल एंड ऑल. और अगर इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में कोई बंदा गया है ना, लिटरली मैं बता रहा हूँ 80% चांसेस है कि ही डिजायर टू गेट अ जॉब. मतलब चाहिए, खुद की प्रेशर हो, फैमिली प्रेशर हो, सेल्फ क्रिएटेड प्रेशर हो, बट एक जॉब चाहिए होता है भाई. आप इन्वेस्ट कर चुके होते हो 15 से 20 लाख रुपए आज के दिन में अगर आप इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हो. तो बहुत ही मतलब बेसलाइन बातें बोल रहा हूँ, बहुत ही फैक्ट बातें बोल रहा हूँ जो कि ट्रुथ इन इंडिया है. मे बी आप लोग रिलेट ना कर पा रहे हो, बट दैट इज अ वेरी ट्रुथ फैक्ट. ओके, जॉब चाहिए होता है भाई, सिविल से हो, मैकेनिकल से हो, इलेक्ट्रिकल से हो, CSC हो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हो, कुछ भी हो, यू नीड अ जॉब. आफ्टर दैट अभी पता ही नहीं है भाई करे तो करे क्या. कोई बोल रहा है भाई जावा कर लो, कोई बोलता है रिएक्ट कर लो, कोई बोलता है एंगुलर कर लो, इसमें मार्केट अच्छा है, कोई बोलता है यार टेक डोमेन छोड़ो, ऑपरेशन बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स की तरफ देखो, डेटा एनालिटिक्स देखो, बट करे क्या. See, I am not only suggesting anything I am suggesting you right now. I am not taking any of the technology. I will be talking regarding Salesforce technology and how it can be fit for any kind of candidate. I will be talking regarding this. Okay, how it can be fit for any kind of candidate, because Salesforce is not only about consulting, it's not only about development, it's not only about analytics, it's not only about configurations, or it's not only about sales and marketing. It's something different. I'll be talking regarding end to end. If you are interested in this video, do watch this video till end. If you are a fresher, want to get into a Salesforce domain, definitely this video can be helpful for you. Even you can reach out to me in order to know lots about Salesforce. I am a Salesforce analyst working on a CRMA and CPQ right now, and yes, prior experience in also Salesforce development and all. So definitely I will be helping you out, and I feel that I can be helping fresher in some or the other way to get a better opportunities in the market, and from where they can start I can definitely guide you up. So ये सब हटाओ, पहले ये बताओ कि मेरे को जान लो तभी तो वीडियो देखोगे. सो आई एम करेंटली Salesforce analyst configurations and analytics, CRM analytics and CPQ configuration person in a product based company, and yes, working as a Salesforce analyst right now. And also if I'm talking about my prior experience, it's like I'm an IT guy just like you all guys, and yes, I make videos regarding IT companies, college reviews, placement experience, technology experience, interview experience, switching experience and lots more that you can think related to IT and all. तो फ्रेशर हो, बहुत लोग Salesforce के बारे में बोलोगे सीख ले भाई, पैसा ही पैसा है. क्या सही में पैसा है? वेट टिल एंड सी. एनीथिंग जो भी मार्केट में आती है, जिसके लोग कम होते हैं मार्केट में, whenever the market is facing what I guess is scarcity to find a right talent, at that time that technology price is very high. Okay, it not always the same. Maybe demand is increasing, maybe all the companies are going with the Salesforce, but ऐसा नहीं है कि डिमांड ज़्यादा है, रिक्वायरमेंट ज़्यादा है तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पैसा देना स्टार्ट करेंगे. जब टैलेंट कम होती है तो पैसे ज़्यादा रहते हैं, पैसे ज़्यादा मिलते हैं. जैसे कि अगर अभी मान लो टमाटर बाजार में मिलना कम हो जाए, यू विल बी पेइंग एनी अमाउंट इफ देयर इज अ रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है भाई तो नहीं करेगा. सिंपली इट्स गोज विथ IT मार्केट सब्जी बाजार है, काइंड ऑफ ऐसा समझो. तो Salesforce लर्निंग में मैं इतना डीप नहीं जाता हूँ, मैं तो फिर डूब जाऊंगा उसमें. Salesforce लर्निंग एंड जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी, क्यों मैं बोला कि एज अ फ्रेशर तुम देख सकते हो Salesforce को अपने कैरियर के लिए, बिकॉज सी Salesforce इज नॉट ओनली लिमिटेड टू डेवलपमेंट. ओके, Salesforce इज नॉट ओनली लिमिटेड टू डेवलपमेंट. It's not only limited to admin, not limited to marketing or salesperson, even not limited to analyst or consulting, even not to business analyst. सी Salesforce एक ऐसा 360 व्यू आपको देगा जहाँ पे आप कैरियर बना सकते हो मल्टीपल डोमेन्स में. Suppose if you are a good developer, you like coding and all, it's also having that opportunity. Right now in development there are LWC, Apex, Visual Force pages, web pages, triggers and more. So ये सारे चीज़ मतलब कि काइंड ऑफ अगर आप अपने आप को एक अच्छे ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड प्रोग्रामर मानते हो, then you can definitely choose the development. And right now developers are paid very awesome in Salesforce, because each and every company is trying to customize up their business application. They are trying to configure it as per the needs and requirement of their business. They are trying to develop. So yes, development की need होगी, developers की need होगी, as Salesforce is a PaaS, that is a platform as a service. So the platform provider, they need companies, multiple businesses need developer in order to customize up their application. Just know, so if you are a good object-oriented programmer, you can be a good Salesforce developer. Opportunities कितनी, if you are going on LinkedIn and searching about the Salesforce opportunity, Salesforce development opportunity, startup में भर के 0 to 1 experience के लिए आपको मिल जाएगा. That's why I'm making this video, because एक बार आप clear कर लो mindset. It's not always the technology will be on the top, but right now if you are trying to search, definitely you can find something. Okay, admin, each and every company has their admin, because it's like if you are using some application or some business tool, it requires certain configuration at certain point of time. So without admin it's not possible. Each and every big MNC is having certain admin and support staff. So this is also having a good opportunity. Marketing and sales, see, company if is investing in such long or such amount on that tools, definitely they will be having some person who will be using that tool in order to optimize up their sales. Salesforce sales, marketer, Salesforce salesperson is actually also demanded. Business analyst is someone who try to either analyze the data or give, or if you are working for some development or software company, they will be trying to analyze the business requirement. As per that, they will be trying to configure the application. Analyst consulting totally depend upon the business needs and requirement. As per that, you have to be expertise in the Salesforce end-to-end knowledge, and yes, you have to give solution to the business. So Salesforce is not only limited to development, not only limited to admin and support, not only limited to marketing and sales, not only limited to sales and consulting, not only limited to business analyst, but there are more roles too. So why I'm telling you that right now, समझ सकते हो, situation is tight. You are looking for an opportunity, how this technology can help you out, because it is having a spectrum right now. See, if you are not a good developer, you can be a good admin. If you are not a good admin, you can be a good analyst. You can be a good business analyst. You can be a good marketing or a sales person. So this is giving you a variety of opportunity. Apart from this, there are right now AI analytics and lots of things in Salesforce. If you are going and searching about the Salesforce, what exactly are available, definitely you will be loving it to know that it's not only limited to a single thing. There are n number of things. One CRM and multiple people that has been required in order to configure up their application. सो लाइक अभी आप सोच रहे हो, प्लान कर रहे हो, तो डेफिनेटली इट्स लाइक 2-3 मंथ्स अगर आप प्रैक्टिस करते हो तो यू कैन हैव अ बेसिक बेसलाइन नॉलेज ऑफ Salesforce that can be helping you out in order to clear the interviews, the company which are expecting a 0 to 1 years of candidate. But the thing is that 0 to 1 year is not enough. It's like many company will be expecting something more than you, some projects and all. So literally if you're interested, need some guidance regarding Salesforce की दुनिया में आगे कैसे बढ़े, Salesforce में आना चाह रहे हो, कुछ लोग जो टेक्नोलॉजी चॉइस करके आना चाह रहे हैं, क्या आपके लिए सही रहेगा, क्या गलत रहेगा, you can ping in the comment box, or even you can comment in the Instagram, and yes, I can help you out to give some of the insight that can be helpful for you in order to get into this domain. Fresher, if you're looking for a job, definitely some jobs are available. Check out my link or check out the description box. Even if I want some personal connect and all, do check out the link and book a slot with me, connect with me personally, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour slots are there. I can give you more insight as per your needs and requirement, and what can be good for you and what can be bad for you. I hope you got lots of insights from this video. If you find this video a little bit of informative, don't forget to give a big thumbs up, subscribe and share it among your friends. We'll meet you soon with a new informative content. Take care and bye bye.